Hello everyone. I want to welcome to our video regarding the High Performance Invasion Tester HPIT from Vertechs. This is Echo Wu.
Hello everyone.
And she'll be assisting me to put this package together and to run the test today. And I would like to draw your attention to the basic equipment. The HPIT is consisted of several main pieces. It has a pedestal. It has a support sleeve to hold this transparent window, which will be containing the sand bed for testing, and the pressure cone here for applying the pressure downwards onto this sand bed once the sand bed is finished. We have some tools, we have some additives here. We're going to run a simple test today. The simple test will be to mix water with some viscosifier and urea, which is ultra low invasion additive, to prevent non-invasive fluids and to stop the invasion into the sand bed. And we'll essentially turn the mixing part over to Echo, and she'll prepare the solution, and then we'll assemble the equipment and run the test. Okay, this is the proprietary HPIT. Now we'll take the support sleeve and the transparent window, and we'll put it into the pedestal base so that we can begin the testing, and we set it in like that. Okay, we're going to turn this stage of the testing over to Echo to show you the frac-sand and to prepare the urea solution for the bridging test.
Okay.
So Echo is now weighing the sand to have enough sand to make the sand bed in the bottom of the tube so we can run the test on top. And again, this will simulate any permeability that you need based on the sand size that you choose. Okay, so we're going to put the sand into the tube, and you'll see that it fills this bottom section. And the idea is to have it full enough so that you form the bridge at the top, and then you can measure the invasion. Now we need to put this top on and screw this in to allow the sand to be packed down. Okay, so we simply take the top device and we thread it on carefully like this. And we take the steel bar. The screw is there. And you can feel some resistance when you turn in the beginning. Slowly remove it, leaving the packed sand below. Okay, and then we can proceed to the step to add fluid to the top part. Echo will now prepare the liquid, and then we'll put it on top and we'll seal everything up and we'll apply the pressure.
The test fluid is based on Vertechs urea. Now I'm gonna use urea, then sand, mixed with fresh water to develop these low invasion fluids. This mixing procedure maybe take you about 2 minutes.
Okay, now we're going to transfer the mixture to the beaker and use a glass stirring rod to guide it into the machine to make sure we don't spill. Okay, now we're transferring the liquid using the stirring rod to guide it so that we avoid the spill into the machine. Simple procedure, and it's going to fill up this chamber here so that we can use it to apply pressure onto the sand bed and measure the invasion. Now we have this small plug goes in here, and then next we're going to put the pressure gauge so we can record the pressure as we turn the unit. And this unit is all mechanical, no gas, no electricity. Okay, we're going to continue the pressure test until we reach 100 psi, and then we'll stop and hold it at 100 psi and check invasion. Okay, so 100 psi, and we'll stop and hold And we'll start our clock to take the time, and Echo will measure the invasion and record, and we'll keep our statistics, and we'll pressure up further once we get this test done. Okay, now we're just past 10 minutes, and we can notice at 300 psi we have 2 millimeters of invasion with our Ulia combination in the 2040 sand bed. And we're going to time this and see if we can hold the pressure for 30 minutes and control the invasion at that depth, which we find typical. Okay, we'll continue the pressure up to 700 to 725 psi and apply this to the sand bed and continue the test. So we'll just keep turning. To continue our test, we have the HPIT equipment pressured up to above 700 psi. We have approximately 2 millimeters of invasion. We'll be able to take the HPIT apart and look at the filter cake we created with the Ulia on the sand bed. And the one thing to notice is a few things. This is a totally portable piece of equipment. It can be used any place, anywhere. It contains no gas, requires no electricity. It's all manual, and will generate up to 700 to 1,000 psi of pressure on a given sand bed and test. And also, you'll be able to measure and see the depth of invasion and understand whether or not the bridging is working for your system or for your additives or for your mud system. We finished our test with the HPIT. We have taken the sand tube out, and we can show that about 3.5 centimeters of invasion has occurred. We produced a filter cake, which we've taken and dried off from the top, and basically thin, hard, firm, impervious at 700 psi plus for a 30-minute test, and stable, no further invasion to that depth, and stop. So this proves the portability and the usefulness of the HPIT equipment to test the bridging capacity of any drilling fluid. This will work with your oil mud, with your water-based mud, high-performance water-based mud, or any type of fluid you care to use, with any bridging material. And we can show you the Ulia has a very, very significant result in this type of test. Thank you for your attention.